Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a really nice car to run around town with, a red with white interior Skylark with a lot of GS features on it. Air conditioned, how can you go wrong with that right there? And it's very affordable. Go to volocars.com, that's where you can get the price, study about 100 pictures, and read the full story on this car. And there's a few hundred collector cars on there, all for sale at volocars.com. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you enjoy the videos, and click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as new ones come out. But right now, the top is down in this red beauty. Let's go for a spin. This here is a respectable driver. This is not like our frame-off restored show car type cars, but it looks beautiful. Anywhere you go, you're going to be at the gas station or getting ice cream, people are going to come up and compliment and wave and say, great car. The mid-sized GM cars are just good-looking cars. The Chevelles are really expensive and hard to get, but I'll be honest, the Buicks and Oldsmobiles generally were better well kept. They're usually nicer cars. They just ride better, feel better, generally speaking. So definitely a good car to consider if you just want a nice summer cruiser. Easy to maintain. They're so simple. You open the hood, there's a motor, a carburetor, spark plugs. Easy cars to maintain. So I suggest anyone looking for a fun car, you got kids or family or whatever, this right here will do real well. Underneath the car is solid. It's not, again, taken apart and restored to perfection, but it's solid, it's respectable. The front end components look good. It actually has the GS suspension. It has front and rear sway bars and the box control arms in the back. It's got a dual exhaust system, which you'll hear when I start it up. Now it's also got GS emblems. It's got the GS chrome wheels, sport mirrors. It is a factory code 75, so it is a factory red car, white interior. And overall, the paint looks really nice. I'm looking across the hood. No dents, no waves, no issues. It fits perfectly square and flush, real nice. The front bezels are shiny, but there's a little bit of pitting. All this chrome up here looks good original. I don't have my glasses on. It looks mint, but I can tell there's some pitting, there's some age, but it looks nice. It fits the fender real well. This fender's in excellent condition. All solid, new emblems. The windshield's very clear, but there are some faint wiper marks. This trim is nice. This vinyl up on top always gets beat up a little bit, so there's some nicks in the vinyl. Stitching on the visors coming apart a little bit. The rubber seals are real good. Door handle looks nice. Smooth along the bottom. There's no bubbles. It's all clean, all smooth and straight. Fits really nice and square. Now there's a crack on each side. There's a seam here from the factory. These flex and twist. It doesn't have a roof. That happens on all of them. I don't care how expensive of a car you have. If it's not cracked when you buy the car, they'll be cracked eventually. So anyway, there's a hairline crack on each side there. This one's more than a hairline, a little bit bigger. Trunk. Look how nice it opens and closes. It just fits perfectly square. The GS wheels look like they're in really nice shape. BF Goodrich tires, wheel well moldings are nice, rocker trim's real nice. Has a white convertible top. It's a power top. Door jambs are clean. The bottom of the door is nice. Weatherstrips have been replaced. Pop the hood for you. It's a 350 motor. It's a turbo 350 automatic, 3-speed automatic. So it's a 2-barrel carburetor, factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. They're drums. Everything looks proper. The fan shroud, it's a new battery bolted down. It's got a new starter we just put in. It's got the hood insulation. The hoses, the wires are all run neatly. The squirters are hooked up. I honestly don't know if the air conditioning actually is working at this price point. It's something we can get done for you. It might be working, I don't know, but ask the salesman. See, it's respectable. It's nice. That's the original door panel. It's in really good shape. A little bumpiness right here. The seats are in really nice shape. If you actually took a little time and cleaned them a little better, it'd look good. It's solid trunk. It has some surface pitting, a little roughness, but it's solid. It's painted. It's got a GS wheel and a BF Goodrich tire for a spare. It's got the jack. It's got the weather strip. This is the original red paint. There's remains of the original sticker there. The well liner at the top goes down into is new. Of course, it has the white boot. But I was saying this white interior, I've done it with my own cars. You get in there with a white plastic bristle brush and some cleaner and a little spray and you keep it wet. You'll clean this interior up real nice. Cushions are still nice and firm. Carpets look really nice. The dash area, Buick used the wood grain. They just fade out. That's just what they all do. It is available new. If you're sitting there looking at the dash, it's something you might want to someday make better. So stock air cleaner, again, hasn't been monkeyed with. Like a lot of the Chevelles, they've been monkeyed with over the years. It's got all the seat belts front and back. Bench seat with the center armrest. I like driving with the armrest. If you needed to get more people in here, you fold that up, you got bench seat, you want to sit close to your sweetie, put the armrest up. This is an aftermarket console, but it's got a cup holder and it's got a couple speakers for the radio. So the dash is not beat up or abused or broken, it's just the wood grain gets faded. Like I said, they do sell that wood grain. Fire it up. Sounds nice. You can go to Walmart in this. You can go out to dinner in this car. It's going to look beautiful. You're not going to be ashamed of it one bit. You also don't have to be terrified if it did get a rock chip. So very affordable, good-looking GM mid-size convertible, nice options, easy to drive, power steering, power brakes, one hand on the wheel. Just cruise with this thing all day. Take the kids out, they're going to love you for it. Visit volocars.com. That's where you can get in touch with us. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. We'll help answer any questions or concerns about the car, the process, the shipping, the financing. We'll help with all of that. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.